Hey guys, just another video update, video I guess 23 I think. Today I have basically finished the main boom, ground this in a bit deeper, finished welding the other bushing on. I got the two hose mounts on, one there, one on the other side here, and I also got two single hose mounts welded on the side here because these hoses come at different angles, so I just welded two separate ones on. And then I have to go sometime today or tomorrow in the next few days to get another hose mounting bracket for here for the hoses coming down from the bucket cylinder. I got these swing basically done. All I have to do is cut these temporary bushings off and weld some thicker ones on or in there. Those are all welded on. I got a greasing system in here. I got a what did I do? I drilled a bunch of holes into this tube here that goes through here. One of them's here, here, and there's another hole there going right through the pipe. My original plan was going to cut squares out of the side tube here and weld a little tube coming up and then put the grease nipple in there, but there was no way to weld a tube onto that bushing inside because there's no way to get the welding gun in there to weld up around the sides. So I don't know if how long this will work, or if it'll work at all. But all I did was I closed in all the holes, welded all of them shut, so we can grind that flat, and left the holes in the tube. Just drilled a hole here. I'm gonna get some. I got some old bunch of containers of grease, so I'll just fill this 3x3 tube right up with grease, and then it should go into the holes with some pressure, I guess. I don't know. If it doesn't work, then I'll figure some way of boring a hole through the pin right through, so I can, and then do cross drill here and cross drill there on the pin. And then I can just put a little grease nipple in at the top of the pin and just, I don't know, we'll see. That's what I was going to do, but then I couldn't find a drill bit the right size long enough for metal to drill that, so I don't know, we'll see what happens. I just have those to stand off, this tubes just to hold the stabilizers down. I got side linkage basically half painted. I just have to paint this side. I got this painted. I missed a little bit in there down somewhere, but I just have to do the other side here now. I got all these painted. One coat on one of the stabilizer pads. I just have to weld up the other one. Weld the other one all up. I got this top all painted. I have to paint the bottom. There's already two coats on the one side, so got the other stabilizer painted on two coats, and the stick all painted up. Holes for the grease nipples and the bushing. Alright, turned out pretty good. Finish welding a little bit up and we're good. I've gotten two coats on the trailer here. See how shiny that is. It's like a mirror finish. I'm gonna do one more coat on this. I'm gonna hang this panel up and do another coat on the front here. It got a bit of overspray from when I sprayed that, so it's all rough. So I'm gonna do another coat on there. Just a final coat. I think this one's okay. This one's pretty smooth. Got the inside painted. I didn't realize it, but I missed the side, so I'll spray a little on there. This panel's more basically done. I remember to turn the front of the panels inward so I don't get overspray on them again. I just have to paint this one. That one's done. Just have to paint it. And then the two engine compartment doors, the top bay door and the side bay door, I have to paint. I got all the hardware on there, all welded up. Bucket's all welded up. So yeah, basically I just have to weld this stabilizer pad up. Paint these. I don't know if I'll paint this. I might paint it black. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I have to get some black paint for the bucket. And for the stripe that'll come down along the bottom. What else am I doing? Oh, and then I have to paint the rims. What else is going to be black? I can't remember. I think that's it. And then the floor is black also with the rubberized stuff I showed you in the last video. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else to paint. I have to figure out this dashboard, side panel dashboard thing. Paint it. I don't know. It'll be probably the last thing I'll paint. There'll be a few little odds and ends, just little pieces that I'll probably have to paint as I start putting this thing together, but just wanted to get it painted so I don't have to worry about painting it later. Throw the tires back on, the jack and roller out of here, or tower, doesn't matter. Alright guys, another one's good. Not much longer. I know I've said that in my other video, or every other video, and I almost smell the exhaust and the dirt, and oh, it's gonna be a good day when it starts up and starts moving. Alright guys, take care. More videos soon. Bye.